If Gamma is showing an unknown error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the app as quickly as possible. We're going to start with the easiest solutions first, then move into browser, cache, network, and VPN checks to isolate the problem. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, do a hard refresh of the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This forces your browser to reload the page and clear some temporary data that may be causing the Gamma app to misbehave. Sometimes the error is just a stuck page session, and a hard refresh is all it takes to get things working again. If that doesn't solve it, open Gamma in an incognito or private browsing window. In Chrome, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N. In other browsers, look for Private Window or in Private Mode. Then log in again and try using the app. If Gamma works in incognito, that usually means the issue is related to corrupted browser cache, saved cookies, or a conflicting extension such as an ad blocker, privacy tool, or script blocker. Next, clear your browser data. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear your cookies and cached images and files. Make sure you're clearing the data for the time period that covers when the problem started, or simply clear all cached data if needed. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Gamma. This step often fixes strange loading issues and repeated unknown error messages. Now check your network and VPN. If you're on a corporate network, school Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, or any restricted network, Gamma's servers may be blocked or filtered. The same can happen if you have a VPN turned on. Try switching to a different network, such as your mobile hotspot, or temporarily turn off your VPN and test Gamma again. If the app loads normally after changing networks, then the issue is likely not Gamma itself. It's the connection path getting in the way. If the error still appears, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Microsoft Edge or Firefox and see whether Gamma loads properly there. This helps you figure out whether the issue is browser-specific. If it works in another browser, then the problem may be your current browser settings, an extension, or damaged site data. At this point, you should have narrowed down the cause. If Gamma works after a hard refresh, it was probably a temporary page issue. If it works in incognito, the browser cache or an extension is likely the problem. If it only works on another network, then your Wi-Fi or VPN was blocking access. And if it works in another browser, your original browser probably needs a cleanup or extension review. If you want, you can also try disabling extensions one by one, especially ad blockers and privacy extensions, because they can sometimes interfere with web apps like Gamma. After that, reload the site and test again. That's it. Those are the main steps to fix the Gamma app unknown error quickly and safely. Try them in order, and in most cases, one of these methods will solve the issue without any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.